Losing weight doesn't have to mean bland, boring meals. In this guide, we'll unveil secret foods and recipes that help you shed pounds while satisfying your taste buds. 1. Cauliflower magic. Secret food. Cauliflower is a low-calorie, versatile veggie. Recipe: try cauliflower rice stir-fry or a cauliflower pizza crust. 2. Protein-packed Greek yogurt. Secret food. Greek yogurt keeps you full and aids muscle recovery. Recipe: enjoy a yogurt parfait with berries or use it in smoothies. 3. Lean, mean turkey. Secret food. Lean ground turkey is a protein powerhouse. Recipe: make turkey lettuce wraps or a hearty turkey chili. 4. Superfood spinach. Secret food. Spinach is rich in nutrients and fiber. Recipe: create a spinach salad with berries or spinach stuffed chicken. 5. Zesty citrus fruits. Secret food. Citrus fruits are low-calorie and rich in fiber. Recipe: try a citrus salad or grapefruit and shrimp ceviche. 6. The power of chia seeds. Secret food. Chia seeds are packed with fiber and healthy fats. Recipe: make chia seed pudding or add them to smoothies. 7. Lean on lentils. Secret food. Lentils are protein and fiber-rich. Recipe: prepare lentil soup or lentil and vegetable curry. 8. Avocado love. Secret food. Avocado provides healthy fats. Recipe: enjoy avocado toast or avocado and spinach pasta. 9. Sneaky spices. Secret food. Spices like cayenne, turmeric, and cinnamon boost metabolism. Recipe: try a spicy chicken stir-fry, turmeric-infused lentil soup, or cinnamon-spiced oatmeal. 10. Hydration heroes. Secret food. Water-rich foods like cucumber and watermelon keep you hydrated. Recipe: make cucumber and mint salad or watermelon and feta salad. Incorporating these secret foods and recipes into your diet can make weight loss enjoyable and sustainable. It's about making healthier choices that nourish your body and please your palate.